So po, this is a Victory.
Village.
Why they call it a Victory?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
And which barangay is this?
27 and 28.
That was amazing on how they keep making, they keep messing. So we're gonna give the prize to mom or dad, one of the parents. And I wanna do that out of the camera because it's a donation. Thank you. And you are okay? I can upload this video of here with the Coke. Cheers. 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 Come here. Come here, you. Come. Yeah, you come here. So, you see all these guys here, they live in this village. And I will show you around about the village, you're gonna be amazed. They can still smile. I was here yesterday and getting darker, and I said I will come again. The first thing that I like doing is to buy drinks for kids. You come here. Come here. Yeah, to buy drinks for the kids and make them. You see how beautiful you are? Good. So we are having a celebration here. Very good. Just look how beautiful these angels are. Just look. How are you doing? You went to school today?
Yeah.
Good, good. It was good? So we're gonna do party, drinks. Call more children to come. Call more children to come. I see them there.
Let's go!
Kay Kuya Wayne! Ano ba di ka sarap?
So she just told me that they sleep here 3 people. Her husband and herself and the child, I think her son, as she said. But the place looks very, very critical. You won't believe that. Can you ask if she can rebond my hair? No?
There's no hair.
There's no hair? So the guy just told me that that dog can jump on me there. So he's saying he's trying to protect me. But this is how people live here. And they have a bike there. You remember me? Yesterday? What's your name?
Ophelia Gonzalez.
Oh, Gonzalez.
What's your name?
Costa.
Costa?
Yes. You have a big smile. So you cook here? You?
Lugaw.
Lugaw.
No more lugaw.
You sell? How much?
No more lugaw na.
No more? Oh, no more.
You speak Tagalog?
No.
Ah.
So you finish, right?
Yes.
Let me see.
Baby.
Oh. Lugaw. No more lugaw.
No more lugaw.
Where is your home?
My home?
Yeah. Can I see?
Can I see my home? Hindi ko medyo ba? Ay, nagsigunod na yung pa-ero ibisuta. This one.
Oh, that's your home there? Oh.
Jan! Jan! Ay, sinunod pa ka. This one.
So she's going to show me her home. This is her home here. You live how many people here? How many people live here?
3.
3?
Opo.
Oh.
My son. My husband.
Oh. Can I see inside? Can I come? Yeah? Okay. Wow. This is the home here. Oh. This is your house, the 3 people here?
Opo. Yes po.
And how three people sleep here?
My son, husband,
Oh,
husband.
oh. Your son sleep with the husband. And you sleep where? You sleep where? You all three sleep here?
Opo. Yes.
You speak English?
Jan! Taklolo!
Yeah, come. Hey, I want to understand something. Can you come to explain? Come to explain what I'm asking.
Mali na. Kaso iba na yung nasabutan.
So this is where they sleep. Look, the house. And she's behind me here smiling. She's smiling. So she just told me that they sleep here, three people. Her husband and herself and the child, I think her son, as she said. But the place looks very, very critical. You won't believe that people can sleep here, you know? And that's what I like telling people, that don't take things for granted what you have. Because there's some people who are behind you. I remember the way I grew up. I used to think that I grew up in a miserable life more than anybody. But these people here, it's way, way behind on my experience of life, the way I grew up. And as you can see around here, it's a lot. Most of the houses here, they're like this. And you know one thing? They can smile. They can still smile. And that's what makes my heart challenging more. So, well, I'm gonna put the camera off because I wanna do something for them. And I don't want to take that on video, so I'll put the camera off. Well, do you have a food you can give me? Food? Bugas? Bugas. No? Yeah. You have rice? Where? Oh, the rice is in the store there. Can I go see? Okay. I can go see if I can get something to eat. Let's go see. This way. Joe, can you ask her how old she is?
62.
62.
61.
61. Oh.
1963.
Oh. I'm really hungry, so can get food. I wanna go eat rice. You gonna give me? Yeah, let's go. I will follow you. So it will need you to go like a slowly, no shaking. Hello, Po. So I just asked if she has some rice. She accepted. She says she wanna feed me. And that's the way some people are. The experience of this world, the people who don't have enough, all the time they're the one who wanna share. Those who have enough struggle, running after money, 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 money. But these people here, they live in a very critical condition. You ask for bugas, which is rice, they say they will give it to you. So I'm gonna follow her and see what she's gonna offer. It's rice or I don't know. Look how they did here. This is an engine. Because the engine is heavy, so they tie this rope to maintain the roof. You see? And again, sorry for my neck, because you see me turning mechanically, it's because my neck is painful. So don't worry about that. Actually, pray for me. So this is the engine. And we're gonna go get the bugas. Can you ask if she can rebond my hair? No?
There's no hair.
There's no hair. So no rebond.
No ribbon.
Okay. Thank you po.
Okay. Bye-bye. Good luck.
Bye. Thank you. Stay blessed.
Bless you too.
Salamat kaayo.
Pakainin ko po ta.
Okay.
May bahay pa po dyan? May bahay pa po. Marami po. Marami pa dyan bahay.
Hello po. Hello. Hello po. That guy gonna jump here. They will saw themselves. I'm gonna tell you.
They watch your vlog.
Yesterday.
I have no account.
You did?
Which one oh? I never long around here. So, there.
Hello po.
Okay.
So, you remember me, right? He has a very beautiful dog. It's behind there. If he sees me, he's gonna start barking.
Hey.
Hello po. Hello po. Hello po.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine.
You watching TV?
Yes.
Movie?
Yes.
I have a question. Do you have some food here to give me? You live here? Is there any bugas to eat? No? You are 4 here, 2 kids, and your husband, and you? Okay, let's see.
So, inalang, mini baga? Ito or nalala dito? So, inalang
I love this. I love doing this. So I agree with them. The one who won prize, the prize we're gonna give it to their mom, not to them. You know, this young kid here, if you give to them, you know what will happen. So they're gonna do free throw, and the best, who remain the best. I did this in Iloilo, in Cebu, everywhere I go. So the best is gonna get the prize, and the prize will give it to mom. That's what we're gonna do. And they say they're ready. So this is what we're gonna do. What is a free throw?
free throw!
Here? Here?
There, free throw!
Okay, so All of you, you come here.
Bola.
Yeah, 500. Come here. Come here. So you go there. So, hey, come. Come. So, whoever make, they go on the right there. Whoever doesn't make, come here. You make here, you miss.
I understand.
Go there. That's really cool. Hey, not 2 times. Not 2 times. Only one. You are the last, okay? Not 2 times. He shoot already?
She lost.
Eh?
She lost.
He lost? Yeah, no. Yeah.
Last.
Oh, last, okay.
Last.
Last.
Ito ako magiging siya na.
Good. Here. Come here. Oh, that's really cool. That's really cool. So 2. So, hey, come, you 4. So, same thing. You miss there. You made here. Wow. This boy is amazing. So, come here. So we have a 2. 2? Yeah, come here.
Ulit.
Again. What a game. Oh my goodness. Oh, look what is happening here. It's crazy. Look. So these guys here, until we see the last winner. He missed. So if he made it, he take the prize. Whoa! Here is the winner. Okay, I need to see your mom or your father. I need to see your mom or your father. Tell her to come here. Mom or dad? That was amazing on how they keep making, they keep messing. So we're gonna give the prize to mom or dad, one of the parents. And I wanna do that out of the camera because it's a donation. Look, she has the University of Toronto. Look, University of Toronto.
I buy this in Ukay-Ukay.
Oh.
Please shop.
Question before I go.
Yes.
Have you ever spoke to a black man before?
No.
This first time?
Yes.
First time to speak with a black man. Okay. It is in Legazpi. So, thank you so much. And you are okay? I can upload this video for you? Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Manok.
Manok.
Is there any way I can rebond my hair?
But you don't have hair.
Oh, I forgot. What is that? Look at this. Beautiful. Grandma,
Yes, that's my grandma.
how many people live here?
More than 20.
20?
Yes.
Here?
I hear 8.
And there?
6.
6. Thank you, Paul.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Subscribe to his channel. This is my sister. And this is my father. Hi, this is my father.
Oh, that's your father there. Oh. And
He's so foggy.
your brother?
Yes, this is my brother. He's so foggy.
He looks like you.
Yes, but I'm pretty.
No, he's pretty too.
Pretty.
They sell, this is the way they sell Wi-Fi. You put coins. I don't know how you got. I think you put your...
You insert money there.
And then?
After insert the coin.
You do what? Look, man. See. Here.
Please give me money. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. So very money.
You.
Thank you.
And you will see all of you. How many you gonna drink? You?
Alcohol. Hard horse.
The
Beer.
price?
No, drink. You drink too?
Yeah, I drink too.
And then you become dizzy?
What?
You become dizzy? Like
What dizzy?
after drinking, you become
Yeah. If I drunk so much.
like how many will make you dizzy?
4 or 5.
4 or 5. In one stomach? Wow, that's
Do
a
you want
lot.
to join us?
No, next time. Thank you so much.
Where from?
I'm from America.
My name is Jason.
My name is Costa. Nice to talk to you, sir. Thank you.
Rashid! Ilan? Ano? Bicol? Tagalog. Bicol, Tagalog. Ah!